Hello everyone, welcome back to Unday Radar Talks. AMC Entertainment stock did not change on Friday. Although the stock price rose 1.7% on Thursday, the current price is still below the 5-day moving average. So why is the stock struggling at the $4.80 level? Is it because there is too much resistance above this price? Probably not. My conclusion is that long capital may be brewing a significant short squeeze, because I seem to have seen more capital flowing into the stock in the last 3 days. The data shows that the daily short-selling ratio of the stock was 13.4% on August 28th, and this ratio dropped to 11.3% on August 30th. The decline in the short-selling ratio means that the bullish sentiment of the stock has increased, which is a positive sign. Through the analysis of the stock's trading volume, $4.98 is the current relatively concentrated area of the stock's trading volume. So if the stock price continues to rise, it will indeed encounter greater resistance at this position. But we also see that the volume below $4.80 is also large. The reason why the stock price has not fallen further in the past 2 trading days is that it has been supported at the $4.80 level, and the bulls are trying to accumulate more rebound strength at this position. So it is not surprising that the stock price continues to consolidate, but it is unlikely to continue to fall. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart of the stock. We can see that the stock price rose to $5.25 in the morning of August 26th and then began to fall, and this process generated large trading volume, which should be a signal that large funds are exiting the market. The stock formed a V-shaped stock price trend from August 28th to 29th, and some large trading volume was generated when the stock price was at a relatively low level, which may be a signal that capital entered the market to take over the chips. In addition, the stock generated large trading volume again when the stock price was at a low level on August 30th, which may be another signal for the bulls to enter the market. Let's take a look at the capital flow data of the stock. We can see that the stock had a net outflow of $2.2 million on August 28th, but the stock price rebounded the next day, proving that the net outflow of capital on that day may be a reverse entry capital. The stock had net capital inflows on both August 29th and 30th, which can be seen as a key bullish signal, reflecting that the bulls may have adopted a passive strategy of taking over chips. Although the stock price did not rebound significantly, it did not fall further, which is consistent with the previous analysis. Let's take a look at the market position distribution data of the stock. As mentioned earlier, I am currently bullish on the stock because I have seen that the bulls are trying to absorb more chips and strive to maintain the stock price. But if the stock price rebounds, where will it rise? We can see that the stock is currently between $4.80 and $5.1 as a relatively concentrated position area, and $4.98 is the middle price. The current price is not far from this position, so if the stock price rebounds, it may encounter greater resistance at this position, but the problem is that this position is only 3.3% higher than the current price. For capital below $4.80, this profit margin is too small, so we need to focus on the $5.1 level, which is my target price. Okay, guys, this is my price forecast for AMC Entertainment stock. Thank you for watching. If you like my analysis, please click the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. I will bring you more latest price predictions for popular stocks in the future. See you in the next video.